Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I came up with another new video which is to identify top n number values and different methods. So here I have a data set with a larger number and smaller number. So for this I want the top 7 line item to be identified over here. For that I am going to home tab, the condition formatting, selecting a top or a bottom rules, selecting top 10 items. So here you are able to see the top 10 items got selected, but I want the top 7 items. I'm selecting the color type in a green field with dark green text. This is whatever the color you guys want, you can select it. Just press OK. So this is the first method. And I'm going to a second method. By using a large function, how we are going to identify the top 7 values. So for this I'm entering serial numbers. I have entered 100, tagging up to 7. So that go to formula bar and type as a large function. The first argument value for this data is the value data set, whatever we have. Select the data set, the total data set, and press F4 to log this data. Keep the comma and select the second argument value, which is the serial number. Enter it. Copy the same formula to all the sets. So I'm entering a new serial number. Will my data set will load or not? Will recheck. So I'm entering it as 8. You can see the data got loaded for 8. So I'm entering other number which is 91. So 91 also got loaded. This is second method by using a large function. Let's move to the third method. This is by using a power query. So for that you have to select the data set, any of the line item, go to data tab. Post that you are able to see from table or a range, pick over there. So it will open the create table dialog box, pick on OK. Post that it will route your power query editor mode. So you can see the same data got loaded over here also. The Excel data, whatever we have, it got loaded over here also. Let's see which row we want to keep, which rows and which rows needs to be removed. So for that I am selecting as a sort option by descending. My data got descended with the higher to lower. So that I am moving to keep rows item. Here keep top rows, click on it. Keep top rows dialog box is open. Now specify the number of rows, how many rows you want. So I want the top 7 rows. For that reason I am giving it as a top 7. You can see the top 7 got loaded over here. Just go to the rows and load to option. So it will open the import data dialog box. So click on existing data, existing workbook. Select the column where you want the data. Select it and press OK. Here the data got loaded for the top 7 line item. Let's change any of the number. Will it change for all the methods or not? We'll see. So here I am changing one number to 1200. It got changed in the second method. Even the first method it was highlighted with a green color. So for the third method I have to right click and refresh so that it will be updated according to the higher to lower value. So this is all about the different methods to identify the top n number values. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and click on a bell icon for more videos.